Welcome to this week's Performance TV. You know, we've had a great opportunity to get to know our friends at AP Lazer and all of the wonderful things that this machine and their other machines can do. We've also had a great opportunity to meet folks like Michael with Cherokee Monuments. Michael, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Kathy.
You just recently got an AP Lazer. You've been in business for quite some time. Actually, what, about 75 years?
75 years Cherokee Caskets been in business.
Okay, and now adding to that type of a business, is this something completely different, or are you just kind of able to blend it right in?
Well, it was a little bit different for our industry because I was one of the first ones to get it in our industry. But we're able to laser on top of caskets. We can do personalized urns, and we can even do monuments, which I'll share with you later on.
Now, getting into an AP Lazer, had you worked with a lot of equipment like this before?
Never have touched one, seen one before in my life. And we bought this about 4 years ago. It's a little bit larger than this one. It's a 48 by 36, and we love it. We have been amazed at how many different ways that we can use this machine to make money, but also to provide a wonderful service to the family members as well as the community who buys our products.
Right, to continue on with what you're doing to modernize that, and along with being able to offer other things as well. Had you used a lot of equipment that had computers before?
All I know how to do is turn on a computer and turn it off. This was so easy to learn, and the support that I got from AP Lazer was unbelievable. And so I was able to start into this day one, and we have just grown from that day to this day to where we just keep going. And hopefully one of these days we'll be able to get another machine because we're so busy we can't just use one machine.
That's great to hear that.
Absolutely.
And not only getting the machine, but also all of the great support and startup behind it. And well, let's just find out more with Tommy.
Kyle and I were just discussing the variety of products you can make with the AP Lazer and the diversity of the people that use it.
Right, it's been pretty funny. The last couple of my customers have been 3 different companies coming together, whether it's a monument company, a woodworker, and a sign company, all coming together and seeing the dream and working together.
That's neat. You know, in racing, we use a lot of vinyl graphics. The only thing I don't like is they peel up on the edges,
Right.
they fade over time,
Right.
You've got to replace them. The AP Lazer can make that a permanent.
It's going to be permanent for you. So again, you're not going to have to deal with that, retouching it up in 5 years or anything like that. This is going to be a permanent decal essentially on the vehicle.
Yeah, you're not going to have to deal with the heat,
Right.
the sun,
Right.
anything fading it,
Yep.
chemicals making it peel up. This is going to be perfect in the metal. It's going to last forever.
Right.
I mean, the endless uses. I mean, one of the things that you don't realize is a headrest in a car. A vinyl company can't put a decal on your headrest, or if they do, it's not going to look very good.
Yeah, they can go from head to toe in a car. You could do the headrest all the way down to the floor mat. So.
Right, and especially with your little portable machine here, a vinyl shop could even get one of those and expand their business.
It'd be perfect. It's a great way, as the old adage goes, either diversify or die. You really want to make sure that you're growing your business.
Right, because you reach a ceiling at a certain point.
Right.
You can have a new side of life.
Right.
I like it. I tell you what, every time I see an AP Lazer, I'm more impressed. Kyle, we might have to work on a deal. I think
Sounds
it might
good.
be one of my future.
Hey, we just saw you guys doing a piece over here. Can I take a look at that, Michael?
Absolutely, Kathy. We did this in just about 5 minutes. Did
Really?
an American Eagle with Cherokee casket on that, and then it cut it out in an oval. How about that? Isn't that amazing?
So you can change the depth then, obviously, of the laser.
Absolutely. It cut right through it, or do it as fine as detail of that eagle.
And we kind of see that all throughout a lot of the different products that you're using your AP Lazer for. Starting, I mean, something I find really interesting would be this piece of construction paper that we have down front.
As I said before, we've been in the funeral industry, so we've been doing caskets, we're doing urns like we have here, but also the monuments that you see down there at the front, from black and white to even color.
Right.
But we can do something as detailed as this. This is black poster board that we took an image of a picture and just lasered it lightly on that. You can do it on clothing. It's amazing what you can do with this technology.
Everything from gifts to, like you said, awards and plaques and so much more, and even something special that you made for me too.
Absolutely.
You know, Tommy got his, so now it was my turn to get one.
If you compare his with yours is much larger, but it's still that $100.
That's right. My money now. Okay, you can find out more. Check out aplazer.com. Find out more about all this great stuff, and we will have more great things for you right after this on Performance TV.
There's still a lot more Performance TV to come.